Dasman Diabetes Institute held a workshop entitled The Child and Adolescent Psychiatry in collaboration with Kuwait Board of Psychiatry and Kuwait Institute for Medical Specialization, jointly with the Kuwait Association of Child and Adolescent Mental Health. Here is more on the workshop in this report by Salim Al-Kandiri.
Dasman Diabetes Institute held 2 days workshop specialized on the psychiatry of children and adults. The workshop presented by specialized visiting physicians from Massachusetts General Hospital and local Kuwaiti specialists.
To help teach about child and adolescent disorders. I spoke this morning about eating disorders. We are speaking about attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism and autistic spectrum disorders, and mood disorders in children. We also will be speaking about bullying, about school psychiatry, about the role of media. For example, I speak a lot about the role of media and its effects on children, for example, on violence and violent behavior. Most of our work will be talking about how we evaluate these children, what clinicians can do to help them, what parents can do to help them, and what we're seeing in society that has a major role in kind of developing these disorders. I think one of the important things is not just learning the evaluation and treatment of children, but how to prevent these problems.
The workshop goal was to increase awareness among healthcare providers about the management of psychiatric disorders in children, adults, and their families based on international standards, evidence, and practical practice.
The conference is here as child psychiatry services are being created for Kuwait, and we're being brought in to assist with the development of services. Specifically, school services are being provided now to the schools in Kuwait, and so that students can be screened to see if they might have any difficulty, but also so that they can be managed in school so that they can remain there whenever possible.
The workshop also highlighted the importance of drafting and implementing children protection laws and Mental Health Act in order to move forward the development of mental health sector in Kuwait.
So basically what we're doing today is a workshop in child and adolescent psychiatry under the umbrella of the Kuwait Board of Psychiatry, Kuwait Institute for Medical Specialization. We're discussing very important topics in the field of child and adolescent psychiatry, like bullying, mental health and violence, as well as other psychiatric disorders like ADHD, mood disorders, behavioral and aggression with autistic disorders. We're doing a lot about delivering bad news and interactive practice. But most importantly, that we don't have child protection laws in Kuwait and Mental Health Act. We're trying to brainstorm on how actually to solve these problems and try to get the policymakers to work with us to work towards that.
Various topics were addressed in the workshop, such as treatment of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, pediatric mood disorders, anxiety, and substance abuse. Dasman Diabetes Institute organized a 2-day child and adolescent psychiatry workshop. The idea is to teach social workers and psychologists the latest on prevention and intervention in psychological problems and disorders. Also, to bring the attention to lawmakers for the importance of a child protection law. Salim Al-Kandiri reporting for the English News.